Hi everyone and welcome to Crypto James. It's Guy here, and in today's video we're going to hear about an incredible project called Yesports, which is actually an engagement platform for esports and fans to interact. Please notice our disclaimer since I'm not a financial advisor, so this video is for informational and educational purposes only. Alright, so welcome to Yesports, which actually they are launching esports into Web3, and it's the world's largest Web3 engagement platform for esports. Now, if you want to join, all you need is to click in here and actually you will be able to get started. That way you will be able to join to their different social media. So for example, the Twitter that actually has more than 17,000 followers, and actually you will be able to see that they have hundreds of engagement to some of their posts, which actually shows that they have a community that they are developing. Now, actually their project is very interesting, and some of the main reasons are that actually their utility first NFT card packs has expenses paid trips, admission tickets, coaching sessions, gaming sessions, meet and greet online, private AMA, and Discord signed merch, WL access to rare drops, discounts, and VOD review. And actually they are the first ever Web3 esport engagement platform that offers a white service for esports teams to engage and interact directly with their fans. And in the esport industry, there are more than 500 million fans. Now, there are 7 major teams that you can actually see in here that are signed in the website, and each team gets their own storefront for NFT sales. And actually their NFT Marketplace, you can actually trade your team's NFTs on the largest esport centric NFT Marketplace in the world, and it's built on an easy to use blockchain, the Polygon Network, and they actually made it easy to adopt the Web3. Now, about their token, so their token is fully stacked utility token with a strong focus on a variety of utility aspects across the platform. Think about it this way: if you actually want to make some money and you want to play to earn, so I think that it's a great idea, because think about it this way, and after you will go through their roadmap you will be able to understand more in details. But when we are talking about play to earn games in general, you can actually, let's say that you love to play games, so it's actually you're doing it under free time, but when you get to a stage that you actually get enough good at it, so you can actually get to a stage that your work is the thing that you love to do, which is, in my perspective, amazing. So if you love to play games, maybe it's a great idea to, when you're actually doing it on your free time, to do it with games that you can actually make some money doing so. And when you will get good at it, hopefully you will be able to play in esports and to compete and actually make some decent money. Now, in their journey, you can actually see that on the first quarter, the launch pool AME, the esports NFT launches with 3 top global teams, 1 top CEA team, and 1 top Europe regional team. And in the second quarter, TGE launch esports NFT Marketplace, where team collectible NFTs that you can actually start to gather and to actually have. Their token will be listed on different exchanges and announce new partners, and actually you will be able to stake their token and also security audits. Now, in the third and the fourth quarter, there will be security audits, the Yesports Metaverse Alpha, the virtual clubhouse, and the play to earn games that you will be able to enjoy and hopefully make some money, and also the team fan token exploration. So if you're interested, you're more than welcome to go to the website and also on their social media ask a lot of questions, and in their blog you will be able to read more details, and actually, as you can see, they're very short, like 2 minutes to read, 3 minutes to read, and you will be able to understand more details about the different phases that this project is actually going through and also how they actually develop. By the way, you will see that they also sharing in their social media about what is going on in their community. Now, Yesports Metaverse will incorporate a number of different game finance functions for users within the metaverse to generate tokens and engage in a deeper level. And GameFi actions such engagement will be users completing predetermined tasks within the metaverse, escaping the digital environment, reaching interactions requirements and high engagement level with their teams, and also putting their NFT utility to work within the metaverse. And Yesports is adding a new layer for tangible complexity to their metaverse that inspires further engagement by metaverse users, which is amazing because in the private team metaverse, you will be able to trade your team's NFTs on the largest esports centric NFTs marketplace in the world, which is great. Now, by the way, also there will be our current Glim NFT giveaways on Playpad, Zeepmax, and Silo Launch. And they have the first fully female Valorant team signed through YL Gaming, and you will be able to actually read much more details about it if you will scroll down and go through their Medium. Actually, their Medium is their blog, but in here, if you will search the different things, so for example, you will search here female, so you will be able to actually read about what is actually going on in here, which is actually that Yesports drives esports diversity, whereas WL Gaming Esports with female stars becoming their first all-female team to launch NFT collection. So if you're interested and you believe that this NFT collection will be good and will have also a potential financially to invest, so make sure that you will be notified about all of their social medias, and in order to know what is going on in every minute or every day on this project. And also, if you want to actually learn more, you are more than welcome to go to their website by clicking the link down below, yesports.gg. And also you can learn more about this project by going down and actually see different articles about this incredible project. So for summary, if you're interested in making money online by playing, meaning that you will actually enjoy playing games, but while you're actually playing games in your free time, you will be able to have the opportunity to make some money. Make sure to go to the website by clicking the link down below and actually read all the information that is necessary in here in order to understand as much as possible about how you will be able to actually start making some money while playing games. And if you're not going to play, but you want to support and you want to actually make some money, maybe from trading NFTs and stuff like that, so you can go to their NFT Marketplace, and actually you will be able to read about their website and stay up to date about when all the NFTs are going to be uploaded, and you will be able to get started as fast as possible to start trading and actually enjoy the opportunity to make some money. So thanks again for watching this video. If you find it helpful, make sure to give us a like, and make sure to add any comments with questions that I may have not covered, and subscribe to our Crypto James channel so you can get other great content like this one that will help you with your cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thanks for being here.